In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Explorer Interceptor. Now, in resetting your oil life, you want to go ahead and turn the key to the on position, but don't start the car. Now, what you're going to be using is the control panel right here on the steering wheel itself while watching the menu up on the dash. Now, what we want to do is use my down arrow, and we're going to go, you're going to scroll on through here to Settings, and just follow the cue. You can see where it says Settings, and it has a little arrow to the right, so just use your arrow to the right. Click on it, and you can scroll through here. There's only 3 options on this particular vehicle, but we're going to go ahead and select that convenience. And you can see if we go down to, it goes to our oil life reset. Use your little right arrow as it indicates on the screen. And simple, hold OK to reset. Setting complete. And you can see now it's at 100%. You're all set. Go ahead and shut that key off, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.